In this video I will show you how to easy design poster in Illustrator. Go to Rectangular tool. Draw the shape. Go to Rectangular tool. Change this color. Draw the shape. Follow the process. Now we will bring this image to the back side of this shape. Adjust the image. Select the upper shape. Now we will go to Pathfinder and click on these three lines. Choose this Make Compound shape. Go to Effect and choose Stylizer. Select the drop shadow. Go to Type tool and type your text. Change this color. Change font style. Go to Type tool and type your text. Change font style. Follow the process.